Harry Styles just won the award for coolest celeb in my book. Just wait until you all hear how he showed his fans some appreciation at his most recent show. Harry Styles knows the way to any fan's heart is through their stomach. How's it going, guys? I'm Madison Hill. To make sure you're always up to date on what Harry is doing himself and for his fans, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. So in case you weren't already in love with Harry Styles, pretty sure this next story will warm your heart. At his most recent show in London, Harry wanted to show camped out fans some appreciation and sent them some gifts to keep them warm. And by gifts, I mean pizza and hot chocolate. Can you imagine anything better? Seriously, how amazing is it that Harry Styles sent his fans some hot cocoa and za for camping out for his concert? Give him some love and tell me if you're a little jealous of those fans down there in the comments. Of course, once the campers received Harry's gifts, they immediately took to social media to share their thanks. One fan shared pics of the gifts, writing, "I love him," Harry going by example and treating people with kindness. Another wrote, "So Harry's staff just came with pizzas and hot chocolate for us, and everyone is so kind, it's unreal." Okay, seriously, Harry Styles is the absolute best. Pizza, hot chocolate, and himself. Can you imagine a better combination? Because honestly, I can't. Harry will be performing in London tonight for the second night in a row. He shared his appreciation for his London fans on Twitter after last night's show. He said, quote, "London, you were wonderful tonight. The love for each other in there was special. Thank you for sharing it. See you tomorrow, H." It makes me happy to see Harry having such a positive experience in London, considering just last week Harry had a very unpleasant experience during his performance for the We Can Survive concert in Las Vegas, where a fan grabbed him inappropriately. But he's clearly leaving that in the past and rewarding those fans who respect boundaries. What do you think about Harry gifting his camped out fans pizza and hot chocolate? How would you react if you got gifts from your favorite celeb? Personally, I'd totally freak out, but tell me your thoughts down there in the comments. For more entertainment news, click the boxes and subscribe.